now that we have a domain, all we need is a server. And so let me show you how to get or how to buy a server at the lowest possible cost. So a few days back I was doing some research and I came across this website which was providing hosting at a very low cost. So the name of the hosting provider um, is Bluehost Geek. So I've written a nice article around it. This is my blog, which is digitaldumdum.com, and here you will find get website hosting for rupees 25 and free domain. You will find this article over here. So I want you to click the article, access the content, and over here you will simply go to point number 3, which is server or hosting, or you can scroll down, server hosting, and here I've provided you with a link which says you can buy a shared server for 25 rupees per month, right, which is very cheap. So select the link. It should take you to bluegeekhosting.com. So this is the hosting that I was talking about, and they are providing you hosting for as low as 25 rupees. Just go ahead and choose one. 25 rupees, view plans. Okay, so it says, okay, I cannot buy it because it is out of stock. I can buy the one which is for 45 rupees, less than $1. And it will give us an option to add one domain, unlimited bandwidth to handle the traffic, 25 domain email IDs. By domain email IDs, I mean swapnil@academy37.com. Not Gmail and Yahoo, but academy37.com. These are called as domain email IDs, and it will give us access to CPanel, also called as control panel, which is the center from where you can control your website. This is the place where you generate the domain email IDs. This is the place where you take your website backup. This is the place where you make changes to the website. You can download your database. So there are n number of things that you can do with the CPanel. So 1 month will cost you like 45 rupees, and let me go ahead and select the buy now option. It is asking me to register a new domain, but we have already bought one, which is acad37.tk. So let me just copy the domain. I'll select I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Again, name servers are a link between your domain and your hosting. Select paste and remove the .tk and add it over here. tk use. Great. It says you can buy it for 45 rupees, and select the continue option. Let me just check. 6 months. Continue. Okay. This is your hosting. All you have to do is hit the checkout option, and I believe you'll have to put in your details. So I have filled up the necessary details, name, email address, and I've generated an email ID from the same tool, which is 10-minute mail, and company details, address, phone number, password. Um, the payment gateway I've chosen as CC Avenue. I've read the terms and conditions. Enter the captcha, which is RKJ8V, and hit the complete order button. I'll go ahead and save the details because we are using a fake email ID. Next step, you have to fill in all the billing details. So I'll skip the video. So I've just made the payment using Google Pay, and let's see what the next step is. It says the order is confirmed, and this is my order number. Order number, continue to client area. Okay, let's continue to the client area. There you go. It says I have one service, but I haven't bought any domain from this website because we used Freenom to buy the domain. Now, when you buy hosting and when you create the account before that, you will get a verification email as well. This is from CC Avenue Blue Gig for payment confirmation. This is account information. Customer device order confirmation. Confirm your registration. Let me confirm my email address first. And yes, I'll confirm the address. We'll go back to the emails, new account information. These are the payment details. Okay, now these details are very important. Let me just take a quick screenshot of the same. Let me take a quick screenshot of these things. I don't want to miss this. So these details are very important, especially your cPanel access and the name servers. And these are the control panel details. So we need to access the control panel. Select the link, control panel link. And these are the credentials of the control panel. Let me just go ahead and bookmark this. And let me just enter my username of the cPanel and the password. Login. I'll save the credentials because I don't want to access the screenshot every time I want to log in. Yes. And this is the control panel. You've just accessed the cPanel of the hosting. So this is the area of, called as file manager, from where you can manage all your website folders. This is where you can register new domains or you can add new domains from here. But we have already added a domain which is acad37.tk. All we have to do is install WordPress. Can you see WordPress over here in scripts? Softaculous app installer WordPress. So we'll select WordPress from here, or else additionally you have the option available over here as well. Softaculous app installer. We'll select the option. Can you see WordPress? We'll select the install button. Leave the version as it is. Choose the installation URL. Leave it to HTTP. This is the domain. We'll ignore the directory WP because I want the home page to be as acad37.tk and not acad37.tk/WP. That's why I've deleted WP. Keep the site name as it is. I'll show you how to edit it later. Create a nice ID password for your website. This is how you'll access the backend of your website. Okay, the admin panel. So acad37 admin. This is my password. Okay, please put in your genuine email ID over here, and after that select the install button. Once you do that, it says congratulations, your software was successfully installed. So WordPress is nothing but a software that you have installed on your domain through the cPanel. It says this is your home page, http://acad37.tk. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so the website isn't loading yet. There's a reason for that. I'll tell you what the reason is. So the reason is we haven't updated our name servers. Okay, so the website isn't loading because we haven't updated the name servers. So in order to do that, you need to copy the name servers that we have got in the mail and update them in your domain area. So first we'll go to the domain area, which is Freenom. This is the domain. Let's go to service, my domains. Again, this is the page. Can you see manage domains? You select this option, manage domains, and you will go to management tools and name servers. Management tools, name servers. Do you want to use default name servers? No, I want to use the name servers belonging to my server. So you select use custom name servers. So this is the screenshot that we had taken. Let me just close all the unnecessary options. And can you see you have ns1.bghserver.xyz. H sorry ns1 dot blue geek hosting ns1.bghserver.xyz. Copy paste, instead of ns1 make it ns2 because the second one is ns2, and change the name servers. Now, once you change the name servers, I suggest you wait for at least 30 minutes for the linking to take place. Sometimes it takes up to 48 hours. Okay, so you cannot really help or do anything in that matter. But all you have to do is wait, and once you are through the waiting period, you can go back, visit your URL, and just see what happens. So we are going to wait for around 30 minutes and then look at our website.